Hello everyone. Welcome to Meet Me Techie channel. Today, I'm showing few time-saving tips and tricks in Windows 10 systems. Let's watch it. First is Dictation tool. Use Dictation to convert spoken words into text anywhere on your PC with Windows 10. Dictation uses speech recognition, which is built into Windows 10, so there's nothing you need to download and install to use it. First go to Settings, and turn on Online Speech Recognition. Start speaking. Hello everyone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share my videos. Video Editor is the successor to Movie Maker on Windows 10. With a focus on easy-to-use creative tools that enable you to tell your story. Type Video Editor in search box and open. Add pictures or videos to storyboard. You can place 3D objects anywhere on your screen. Finally, you can export your video. Snip and Sketch app used to snip your screen in different forms, and you can annotate on the pictures and save and share to anyone. Search Snip and Sketch app and open. You can see the settings first. There are 4 tiers of snipping. It's simple to record a clip of what's happening on your screen with the Xbox gamebar. Make sure you have enabled Xbox gamebar before you continue. This is the screen capture button. This is the screen recording button. You can enable or disable the microphone while recording. You can see the screen is not recorded. This is the limitation here. You can't record the desktop and file explorer. The calculator app for Windows 10 have different converters. Conversion works offline too, making this mode even more useful if you are roaming internationally and do not have a data connection. Using Clipboard, when you copy something on your PC, it's automatically copied to your clipboard for you to paste. Now with the Windows update, not only you can paste multiple items from your clipboard history, but you can also pin the items you tend to use all the time, and sync your clipboard history to the cloud. First, go to Clipboard Settings and check it's enabled or not. If any text is needed for future use, make sure that you are pinning the text. Otherwise, all clipboard history will be deleted when system shut down. Multiple desktops in Windows 10. Multiple desktops are great for keeping ongoing works organized, or for quickly switching desktops before a meeting. When I am working with multiple applications, suddenly I have to attend any meeting and sharing my screen for any presentation. This is very helpful for me to create another desktop screen to hide my apps. If you want to hide all your desktop files, you can achieve in one click.